What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another one. This one, you're gonna get to see another pheasant hunt. Seems like that's the only thing we've been successful about this year is getting into some pheasants. The ducks and geese have been hard to come by, but a couple videos from now, you will get to see some ducks being killed, that's good. That's a good thing. Anyway, this hunt is from end of October. Little family and four-man family and friends pheasant hunt at Martz's game farm. I'll have them linked down in the description of the video. Check them out. You'll have a good time. So let's get into it.
There it is. Catch it up. Attaboy, come. Hold and come. Here. Good boy. Good boy. No, leave it. Sit. Yeah, it did. Good job. Good job. Nice shooting, Danny. Here. I mean, there's a chance he missed it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, especially when they had that other bird in there right at the same spot. We think.
Right.
So we got to the end. Yep, they could have went by. He could have went by it. Yep.
All right. Well, let's push that strip back that way.
Okay. It'll be a different angle for him.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Yeah. Here. Come. Come. There. Nice shooting. Fetch it up. Back. Here, come. Come. Yep.
Not right here in front of us.
Okay.
It's running right here towards you, Corey.
He's over there. Not even work. Kill it. Nice shooting.
Good shooting.
Yeah. Did draw blood on me. Sucker. Yeah. Was trying to reach for the bird and got my finger. Ow. Who trained that dog?
Yeah. He's doing good.
He was.
Right here in front of me.
Okay.
I thought I shot. Right here, right here. Right here in front of me.
Okay. Here. Here, in here. Yep.
Going back.
Yeah, I see it. Yep, I see it. It's right here at my feet. Get ready. I'm gonna kick it. Ah, it's running away. It's running towards Gambit.
Right out there.
Yep. Here, Gambit. Here. Here. Come. It's right at the edge. It's heading towards you, Danny. It's right out here. Move up this side.
In the point. In the
Yep.
point.
Get ready. Shoot it. Nice shooting. Fetch it up. Good boy. Atta boy. Good. Here.
Good boy.
Come.
Ugh.
Here. Come. Leave it. Nice shooting, guys. Find them. Find a bird. Come on, find them.
Yes, I did.
They all gone. I got them all.
All right, guys. Well, that about does it for the 10-bird pheasant hunt. Thank you once again for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. That'll really help us out. And if you're looking for some cool, like, you know, casual wear, hunting wear, make sure you check out Duck's Waterfowl. Link them down in the description of the video below. Also, huge shout out to Martz's Game Farm. Once again, another fantastic hunt. Appreciate you guys. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next one.